you how to make homemade barbecue sauce. It doesn't require any cooking, it's a very easy recipe. All you have to do is mix some ingredients in a bowl and you're ready to go. We're gonna add 1 cup of maple syrup to a medium-sized bowl, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We have 6-ounce can of tomato paste. And now we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of Tabasco sauce. We're gonna mix it all up until it becomes solid consistency. There you go. See how it's very thick? Now you can just cover it and store it in the refrigerator. To use this barbecue sauce, you can check out our ribs recipe.